How to put recipes in MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. You can see here dashboard, and beside the dashboard at the bottom there are different options like the diary, newsfeed, plans and the more option. You have to click on the more options. Now scroll this bar and you can see here recipes and meals. You have to click on the recipes here, and that how to edit recipes. You can see here recipes. If you want to create, firstly you have to create recipe and then click on edit here. In this way you can see your recipes here like this. If I have uploaded this, I can change my recipe here by clicking on different options. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.